Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-XENON HID headlamps and LED signature. Black grille with satin granite ring. 19-inch satin granite aluminum wheels. Black side roof wrap. LED tail lamps. Heated front seats. Heated steering wheel. Integrated voice command with Bluetooth. 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Navigation. Park view rear backup camera. Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. Beats premium audio system. SELEC-TERRAIN system. Gunmetal interior accents. Second row remote USB port. Power liftgate. 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D5461.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles. The smart choice. Factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.